We are pleased to show you the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 1 owner, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a 1-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.